Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you are all fine and safe at home. Okay, this is our English class, and our topic is the pros Mini makes brownies. Okay, now tell me, children, what we learnt in our previous class. Can you guess? We learnt a poem, right? The poem name is Ducks on the River. Shall we all sing? Children, are you all ready? Shall we all recite the poem? Okay, start. Ducks on the water, quack, 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 sailing down the river and then sailing back. Mother duck leads, ducklings behind, trim little swimmers in the long straight line. Out of the river into the nest, time for the family to have a rest. Under her wings, mother duck tucks two little drakes and three little ducks. Okay, all of you clap your hands. Yes, very good. Hello, look at this picture. Who is she? She is a girl. Her name is Minnie. Minnie likes to go to school every day because she wants to meet her friends. Her friends are also waiting for her. See, look at the picture. Friends also are called classmates. Okay, children, you also have so many friends, no? See how she is enjoying with her friends in the classroom. She likes to come to school every day, like you. Now, one day, Minnie's teacher told that they are going on a picnic. And she was very happy after listening that. She wants also to go, but she was thinking that Minnie's teacher told they have to bring food and share with everyone. What is a picnic, children? Have you ever gone for a picnic? Picnic is defined as a meal eaten outside or an occasion where people come together to eat. Okay? Now, you see, look at the picture how people are enjoying on a picnic. Then Minnie comes to kitchen and asks her mummy to help her to prepare something for her classmate. Mummy asked Minnie, "What do you want? Sandwiches, biscuits, or fruits?" Then Minnie said, "No, Mama, I want brownies. Come, we both will prepare brownies. I will help you, Mama." Then Minnie asked her mummy to bring a bowl. Mother brings out the flour, sugar, and cocoa. See how they both are doing? Then Minnie brings butter and eggs from the fridge. And they get a big bowl and a wooden spoon. Then mother mixes the flour, sugar, and cocoa in the bowl. Then Minnie adds butter and eggs in it, and she also learns how to make the butter from her mummy. See, now her mummy takes an egg and cracks the egg and putting into the batter. Children, you also look it in the picture and see how they both are doing and how Minnie helps her mummy to make the batter. You all also try it at home with your mummy. Okay? Now her mummy showing the batter. See, look at the picture how Minnie is happy and so excited because she is also helping her mummy to make the batter for the brownie. Right, children? Now Minnie's mummy is ready and heats up the oven. What is oven, children? A machine used for baking. Now Minnie pours the batter into the pan. Look at this picture how they are keeping inside the oven. Then her mummy puts in it in the oven to bake. It will take 30 minutes to bake the brownie. Now her mummy is checking whether it has done properly or not. We have to check in between, no? Now see, the brownie is ready and it's a yummy and color also very beautiful. Now, Minnie's mother takes the pan with the brownie out of the oven. She sets it on the cooling rack. See, now Minnie is very happy seeing the brownie because of its color. Minnie sniffs in the air. What does it mean by sniffs? Smells. It smells like chocolate. Children, what did Minnie bake? Minnie baked a brownie. What does it mean by brownie? Brownie is thick, soft, flat cake. Okay. Now children, look at the picture, how it looks. You also prepare a brownie with the help of your mummy and send me photos. Okay. You will do? Yes. Now children, look at this page. The hard words from Minnie makes brownies. The first one is picnic, Picnic. You make it two syllable. First syllable is PIC, pick. Second is NIC, nick. So total, when you say it in syllable, you say twice and then you say at a time PICNIC, picnic. Next one, classmate, CLASS, class, MATE, mate. So first syllable, what is the first syllable? CLASS, class. Second one is MATE, mate. Like this, spell and tell. Third one is bring, BRING, bring. Next, SHARE, share. Next, KITCHEN, kitchen. Next, MOTHER, mother. Next, FLOUR, flour. Next one, sugar, SUGAR. Next, COCOA, coca. Next, BUTTER, butter. Next, SPOON, spoon. Next, OVEN, oven. Next one is batter. See the difference here, butter and batter. Butter means what we have with bread or chapati, that is BUTTER, butter, and the batter is the mixture. I told you a thick mixture, that spelling is BATTER, batter. Now look at this meaning. Oven means is a machine used for baking. Batter is a thick mixture. When your mom prepares dosa for you or idli for you, your mom's also having a batter. That batter is for dosa or idli. But here what Minnie prepares for the batter is for the brownie. Okay. Snips means smell and brownies means thick, soft, flat cakes. Have you ever tasted children brownies? It is very yummy and it is very tasty. Here this brownie color is chocolate. So Minnie prepared a chocolate brownie. Okay children, now spell each word and read. Then you write each word in your notebook. Practice it properly with the help of your parent. Okay. Okay, thank you children. We will continue this session in our next class. Till then, bye bye, take care.